I'm going to be doing a live withdrawal in this video. There's this app that a lot of people earn massively from sometime last year. And towards the end of last year, most of them stopped using the app, thinking that the app is no longer paying. So, because of this rumor people are carrying about, and personally, I love trying out something to see if it is true or not. So, I decided to take a little of my time this year because I'm a very busy person and I don't really have much time working on apps like this because I have websites that actually pay higher than that. So, I just decided to take a little of my time to find out if this app is still paying or not. And in the course of doing that, I realized that I have actually made over 100 US dollars from this app. That's about 111 US dollars, which is about 170,000 naira. And that may be small though, but it can actually clear off some bills. Like personally, there are some certain bills I do not worry myself about. You see, money for toiletries, money for food, and all of those small things, money for monthly data subscription. And the reason why I do not worry myself about all of these little bills is because I know that there are actually apps where you can just be performing one or two little tasks. And these are tasks that you can actually do before your bedtime, which means that if you are taking some of these tasks, you can be able to clear off some of these outrageous bills without you breaking your bank. And that's the essence of you having or working in most of these apps because it helps you to stay out of running out of money. So in this app, what you are expected to do is to perform daily tasks. Once you are performing your daily task, they are going to be giving you some little amounts which you can accumulate and withdraw into something bigger. And one thing that is so good about this video is that I'm doing a live withdrawal. Apart from doing this live withdrawal, I'm also going to be showing you how to withdraw from this app down to your PayPal account, from your PayPal account down to your local currency. For most of you who are usually having issue withdrawing into your PayPal account or from your PayPal account to your local currency, so this video is going to cover all of that. So now, without wasting much of your time explaining how this app works, let me just take you directly into the app and then show you how it works and how you can withdraw your earnings in case you have accumulated some earnings and you are having troubles or issues withdrawing from the app. Let's dive into the app right now. I've made over $100 from this app, and currently I want to withdraw another $13. So now take a look at this. Most of you have been asking if this app is still paying. Of course, it's still paying, and I'm going to show it to you in this video. If you look here, you see that this is the side that is currently paying. This side, I don't know, it seems they are having technical issue in this side because there are two sides that pay initially. Like this first side, you can see I currently have about $69 here, and I've also withdrawn from this side, but currently it seems they are having issue, and that's why I'm not bothering myself with this side anymore. So from this side, you can see this particular one. You can see that's where you should depend on. Put all your effort on this side. You can see what I currently have here. And once I tap on withdraw all, I'm going to withdraw everything. So let me still show you one or two more things you should know about this app. So over here, you can see I have withdrawn this. I have withdrawn this, and also this. And also this. You can see this is another one here. So now let me show you how this app works and how you can accumulate this particular side. If you look here, you're going to see where it says start game, and you can also see this side. So this app, the task you are expected to depend on if you want to withdraw from this particular side. So now let's tap on it. If you tap on it right now, you're going to see a lot of tasks you are expected to do. You are expected to do this, do this, do this, do this, do this. And these are easy daily tasks you can perform. Do you get it? So once you are performing all of these tasks they've given you here, it's going to be reflecting over here. If you also start a game and play this particular game, your earning is also going to be reflecting over here. Do you get it? So now let's tap on it. So if you look here, you see that I have withdrawn what was here before. When I reached 200 of 200, I withdrew it, and that's why you are seeing that $13 over there. So you have to be checking here. Once you reach 200 over 200, that is when you are expected to tap on withdrawal. If you tap on withdrawal now, you can see what it says. You have to meet up before redeeming your earnings. Once it's 200 over 200 here, then you withdraw and you come over here. You tap here. This is what where you're going to tap. You tap here. Once you tap here, you are also expected to add your PayPal email over here. If you don't have a PayPal email, you can use another person's PayPal email, but just try to be sure that that person has not used his or her PayPal email on this particular app. If you are using a PayPal email that someone has used to withdraw from this app before, it will be rejected. So ensure that you are using a PayPal email that has not been used to withdraw from this particular app before. Then after you have entered the PayPal email, all you need to do is just to tap on withdraw all, and you are going to be withdrawing this particular amount that you have made here into your PayPal account. So that's exactly how this app works, and I'm going to be withdrawing, and I will also show you when it lands in my PayPal. I'm going to also drop the name of this app and how you are going to use it in the description of this video. So now let me tap on withdraw all. So over here, you can see where it's asking me to confirm my email, my PayPal email. And once I tap on confirm, it's going to withdraw. So let's go ahead and tap on it. So you can see it says happy to accept. Can you see it? So let's go ahead and tap on happy to accept. And you can see that here is currently 0, showing you that we've already withdrawn. So now, if you look up here, you're going to be seeing something. You can see where it says withdrawing. So you are going to be checking to know when it has already withdrawn. Once they send it to your PayPal, you are going to be notified that they have sent it to your PayPal. So if you look here, you can see it's currently withdrawing. So once it's done withdrawing, I'm going to show it to you, and I'm also going to be showing it to you in my PayPal as well. If you look here, you see this is the total amount I have withdrawn from this app, apart from this current one. So now let's go back. So guys, the payment has arrived. If you look here, you're going to see that it's no, the payment is no more pending. Can you see it? So I made the withdrawal around 4 p.m. yesterday, and the payment, I got the payment around 1 a.m. in the midnight. So sometimes the payment doesn't always arrive on time. Sometimes it could arrive a few minutes depending on the time you made your withdrawal. Like I made the withdrawal after working periods around 4 p.m. So I didn't get the payment on time. But if you made your withdrawal around something like 9 a.m. in the morning, 10 a.m. in the morning, 7 a.m. in the morning, you will get your payment immediately. But because of the time I made the withdrawal, I got it few hours after. So now let's take a look at it. This is it here. So you can see it has shown successful withdrawal, showing that I have already gotten it. And you can see the total earnings. This is 170,000 naira total, because I'm using a Nigerian Crazy Rock account. Do you get it? So now let's go ahead. Let me show you this money in my PayPal account. But before then, let's go to my email. Let's see if I've actually gotten the email from them. So over here is a notification email. You can see this is my notification email showing me that I've gotten paid from Crazy Rock. So right now, let's go ahead and tap on it. So you can see this is it. You can see the time the payment arrived. It actually arrived at 1:14 a.m. this morning. So now you can see it. Can you see the date as well? You can see the dates. So now what we are going to do next is to go to our PayPal to withdraw this money into our local currency. So now let's go ahead. So before I log into my PayPal account, I have to check my location, because due to some browsings, your location might not be accurate. So I have to check to be sure of my location. So I will tap on click for more details. So you can see my location currently. Can you see it? So right now, let's head over to our PayPal account and make the withdrawal. So you go ahead and type PayPal. Then search for it, allow it to load. So you can see it shows paypal.com UK. So now tap on login. So if you look down below, you're going to see this UK flag. That's to show you that this my PayPal is a UK PayPal. So now let's go ahead, tap on login. So it has brought me to this interface. So all you need to do is, if you want to go ahead with this, you tap here. But for me, I don't need this right now. So I'm going to click it off. This is where to click this off. If you see something like this in your PayPal account, so you click it off. So you can see the money, because this is I changed the currency. I changed my currency to from dollars to pounds. I changed it from dollars to pounds. That's why you are seeing the equivalent here. But if you look here, you're going to see the payment over here. Can you see it? So you can see, let's tap on it and see what it says. Is it here? Conversion rates, which means they converted it They converted it with 1 USD. Do you get it? Let's go back. Let's head over and make a withdrawal. So now let's tap on transfer money. So once you tap on it, just go ahead, allow it to load. So once it's done loading, you're going to see withdraw from PayPal to your bank account. So that's exactly where we are going to be tapping right now. So you can see withdrawal amounts. This is the amount we are currently withdrawing. If you don't want to withdraw up to this, you can go ahead and change it and select the exact amount you want to withdraw. So once you are withdrawing, like, just make sure you are tapping on this one, because if you go ahead with this, they are going to be charging you for some amounts to make this transaction. So let's go with this particular one. So that's exactly where I'll be tapping right now. So over here, because I have up to 2 bank accounts linked here, I'm going to be choosing the exact one I want to make use of. So this is my NSave account. So I'm going to make use of my NSave. Then you tap on next. Once you tap on next, it's going to show you this withdraw a minute. So just go ahead, tap on it. Over here it says choose how to continue. This helps us protect your account. So right now I'm going to choose to continue. Let me receive a text with my phone number. Mind you, I am using a Nigerian phone number here. Yeah. So I have both my UK number and my Nigerian number in this PayPal account. So now let's go ahead and receive code. Tap on it. So now let's go ahead and get the code sent to the number. So over here is the code. So just go ahead, tap on it to get. So you go ahead and submit it. So you can see it says you are all ready. Just a second. So allow it to load. So over here you can see where it says your £9 is on its way. Estimated arrival, which is a minute. This should take a few minutes to keep you updated on your transfer. So now let's tap on done. So if you look here, you see that the transaction has already been made. Can you see? There's nothing left here. So you can see it's in £0. So the next thing we're going to do right now is to go to our local transaction app and see what's happening over there to see if we've received the payment. So let's allow it to load. So now the next thing we're going to do is, since we didn't withdraw in dollars, we have to come over here and change it over to pounds accounts. And if you look here, you're going to see the payments. Can you see? This is our payments here. Can you see that? So now if you need the money urgently, like you want it urgently, all you need to do is to transfer it into your local bank account. That's your Nigerian bank account, your Ghanaian bank account, your Kenyan bank account, South African, any bank, your local bank account. Just send it over and you are going to be seeing it in minutes. So now let me just do it. I don't need this money right now, but I just want to do it for you to see. So just tap on transfer. Then you select Nigeria. Over here is where you're going to do the conversion. Can you see? This is where you're going to do it. You select the amount you want to convert. Then let's say 84. So over here is where you're going to add your recipient details. That's if you want to withdraw immediately, and you can see the exchange fee here. You can see this is their current exchange fee. So currently I'm not going to withdraw this money because I know the exchange rate is still going to go high. So I'm going to allow this money to remain in this app until the exchange rate is a bit higher. Maybe let's say 1,800, 1,900. So since I don't need this money urgently, I'm just going to leave it here. But if you want to withdraw, all you need to do is to tap on add recipient details. So over here, just add your name, add your bank name, your first name, your last name, then you add your account number. And over here, you are expected to select your bank account. Okay. So once you select your bank accounts, you can see there are several bank accounts here that you can select from. So just go ahead, select the one you use. And after that, you're going to come over here and tap on create account. And after tapping on create account, you are going to make your withdrawal down to your local bank account. And that's exactly how it works, guys. If you found value in this video, please don't forget to tap on the subscribe button so that whenever I share videos like this, you are going to be the first to get notified. See you next time in my next video. This is Emilia David.